Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinsons na Balikes. Ako po si Felix Marauda, DTF operator ng Honjet na may 63 meters kaming nairan dito this week. Ito po ang heads. Cupping. Working pa naman po properly. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang aid system ay tama lang. Missing tank na this Friday. Ground wire. EBR. Ito naman po ang use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito po yung manual inventory natin. Sa consumable this week, nakagamit tayo ng isang white, isang film, powder at kuyi green. Ito po yung sticker na gamit natin sa white ink, resin powder, film cleaning solution. Ito po yung workload, maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat